I love Trello. And here's a quick tip for saving YouTube videos in Trello. This works great when you don't have the time to watch a YouTube video right now, or you don't need it right now, but you know you will need it soon. Now, I'm looking here at this list of Wednesday tutorials by Lynette Chandler. Lynette always delivers with relevant how-to videos, and here's what I do. Go to the video and copy the title, go back to Trello, and then paste it in Add a Card. And I always add the date. Then step 2, go back to the video, open the share button, copy that, go back to Trello, and then I paste that into the next card. Now, when I hit return, it really creates just a hyperlinked thumbnail for you to go back to. So all you have to do to watch it next time is just come back and click on the thumbnail, and
Welcome
it takes
back,
you
everyone.
right to the video. Now, the reason that I use 2 cards is that some videos, unlike Lynette, don't always have the title on the thumbnail. So I always want the title above it so I know what I'm looking at and the date of it. And then to actually watch it, you just click on the hyperlinked thumbnail. Hope this helps.